How to set a stage cook program on your buffalo combination oven. Choose your cook method along the top. Choose what you want to do on your first stage. Let's cook something at a high temperature to begin with. Let's say 210 degrees, 10% humidity, and we're going to cook that for 10 minutes. Full fan speed, and valve open. From there, we want to add a second step, stage 2. So press the add step. This now brings up phase 2 of 2. We can then drop the temperature down. We're cooking for longer now at a lower temperature after we've given the product in the oven a seal. So we want to go to 175 degrees, up the humidity slightly. Maybe we'll cook that for 1 hour. So let's set it for an hour. 100% fan, and again open the valve. From there, we can do a third. Now we want to set up phase 3 of 3, which we can set to a hold, so we can set it down to 65 degrees. We can set the humidity around 30%. And then, because we're going to replicate an overnight cook, put the time on continuous, just drop the fan down slightly and of course, open the valve. Once you've done that, we can overview all 3 steps. You can also add up to 6 phases. We can either save or press start. And that is how you set a stage cook on your buffalo combination oven.